You're watching WVUA. This is Alabama's home team.
We're glad you're with us this Thursday afternoon. Now, I'm Terry Brewer. We appreciate you being with us for a special edition of WVUA News. We've been following a developing weather situation all morning long. This winter weather affecting much of Alabama today. WVUA Chief Meteorologist Richard Scott has been watching the situation with us. He now has the latest from the WVUA Weather Center. Richard.
Hey Terry, yeah, a very heavy band of snow in the Tuscaloosa area this time. In fact, from about Jasper down to the city of Tuscaloosa, down to about Greensboro. This band is pinwheeling around an upper level low and will slowly move off towards the east. Still some light snow behind this, but this is your heavy band. As it continues to track off towards the east, we'll likely see that the conditions deteriorate ahead of that band. 33 in Tuscaloosa right now. We're close to the freezing point in the city of Tuscaloosa, but let's check out that Tuscaloosa tower cam. I want to show you what it looks like. If you can tell, there's Denny Chimes. The University of Alabama quad is down there and almost whiteout conditions in the city of Tuscaloosa. How about that? Don't see that very often. Incredible amount of snow falling in the city of Tuscaloosa right now, very heavy. We had some snow starting off this morning, but by far this looks like the heaviest snow we've seen so far. Let's check out graphics again, the temperature map. We are above freezing at this time, but I think some spots will be flirting with those freezing temperatures out there. In fact, Tuscaloosa is reporting 33 this hour, but incredible view there. You're looking at the Tuscaloosa tower camera live on the University of Alabama campus. Almost whiteout conditions. Wow. Incredible there. Some snow happening in West Alabama. We're all still under that winter storm warning until about 6 p.m. this evening, but all the snow will start to gradually move out. Let's check out the temperature map across the area. And again, 33 Tuscaloosa, 32 in Haleyville. We've got temperatures falling due to the snow that's out there right now, that upper level low moving in. Here's the back edge. Again, a very heavy band of snow developing right here over the city of Tuscaloosa back towards Birmingham. That band of snow will gradually spread out, and you'll notice some dry conditions start to move in this afternoon. So about 1 to 2 p.m., we'll start to see the snow end for Tuscaloosa and points west. To the east, it's going to take until about 3 and 4 o'clock for places like Birmingham and Anniston and Gadsden. Still that winter storm warning, but it has been dropped for East Mississippi now the snow has stopped. The winter storm warning for much of our central Alabama counties, and this is what we're talking about for the forecast today. 9 o'clock this morning, we had that temperature 33, back around freezing to 35 right now. And the snow tapers off just a little bit later on. And this is additional snowfall accumulations. This is what we expect from here on out. This does not include what has already fallen across much of our area. We're talking the chance of 1 to 3 inches, basically Tuscaloosa and points northeast. Back in the western side of the state, the heavy snow is ending. So, Terry, what a winter wonderland out there. How about that? The city of Tuscaloosa saw that tower cam shot. Incredible view there on campus University of Alabama.
Yeah, winter wonderland is the way to describe it. Sure, look at that. Just as Richard said, practically whiteout conditions out there at the University of Alabama. As you can see in the background there, you can barely see Denny Chimes. Unbelievable. We've also got a live Alabama Department of Transportation video camera for you that's in the lower portion of your screen, and that is Highway 69 and Skyland Boulevard. You can see some accumulation there in the median, and you can definitely see that it is coming down out there. We had a good thick hit of snow around 10 o'clock this morning in Tuscaloosa, and it surely looks like it's picking up again out there. So there's another look at a live image from Highway 69 and Skyland Boulevard. Because of these conditions and the threat of winter weather, we've got several area school systems that have decided to close for the day. Pickens County schools closing at 12:30, so pretty soon they will be closing their doors for the day. Lamar County schools and Head Start are closed today. Also, the University of West Alabama in Livingston will have evening classes only. Offices are closed today there, and also day classes are closed at the University of West Alabama in Livingston. Also, we've got some road concerns due to this weather. Pickens, the EMA offices in Pickens and Lamar County tell us that county roads in those areas are closed because of the winter weather conditions. Walker County roads are also now closed until further notice. And we have crews out today capturing the story for the people who are choosing to stay in. You can stay at home and watch it here on TV with us and stay warm. WVUA's Tommy Townsend has this report from the University of Alabama.
Hey guys, it's a very rare thing out here at the University of Alabama. It's snowing. In just a matter of minutes, it's turned into a winter wonderland or nightmare, depending who you are. But as what some of the students have told me, everyone's just excited.
It's really awesome. The quad looks really pretty with all the snow on it. I'm from Birmingham, so usually when they say it's going to snow, like, it doesn't really happen. So I woke up this morning not really expecting it. So when I walked out of class, it was really awesome to see it.
Beautiful. I mean, it does remind me a lot of home, you know, and it's cool. I didn't think I was going to get snow down here. So I'm really happy. There's people like taking pictures everywhere, like it's a big deal, and I think it's cool, but I'm just pretty used to it.
I feel like we're not prepared for it like most other states, so it doesn't really bother me that I see people freaking out. I kind of want to go play some football or something, go outside, do something.
Well, I'm from Tuscaloosa, Alabama, so I'm not used to the snow. I'm used to sun, but I'd love to see more often. And it's really cool just being from Tuscaloosa and being able to see and witness all this stuff.
So how's the snow affecting you guys?
It's a little cold, kind of brisk, a little bit.
Now, a lot of students have said that they want all this to stick, and you can see a little bit of accumulation already starting. At the University of Alabama, Tommy Townsend, WVUA News.
Very nice, Tommy, and I would not want to be those guys running out there in the cold without clothes on. So, wow, they are pretty brave. Well, if you've got snow pictures, you can send them to news@WVUATV.com. Some viewers have already sent their snow pictures in to us. We've got wintry weather affecting people in other parts of the southeast as well. Now, these pictures are from Pickens County earlier this morning, which is an area that saw really one of the earlier hits of snow that we've had here, and you can tell lots of people getting out having some fun in this winter weather. And we have received a number of viewer pictures, someone documenting the day of this pretty winter weather outbreak we're having, and other cities and around the southeast, Mississippi. Many areas in Mississippi have been impacted by the snow as well. So lots of interesting images, pretty images, and now we want to go ahead and get back to WVUA Chief Meteorologist Richard Scott. He is in our weather center, and we're going to check back in with him. Richard.
Hey, Terry, quickly, can we check out that Tuscaloosa Tower camera? This is something you don't see often. Almost whiteout conditions on the campus, University of Alabama. If we can check out that tower cam, there is Denny Chimes. You can barely see it there. Behind that's University of Alabama quad, and you cannot see anything hardly out there. Incredible conditions. Very heavy snow falling. The city of Tuscaloosa will likely see a quick accumulation before the snow starts to wrap up. All right, let's go back over to our snow total map. And what we're talking about from here on out, this does not include what has fallen already. This is going to be what will fall between now and over the next few hours. So we're talking additional 1 to 3 for Tuscaloosa and Birmingham, off towards the northeast, towards Gadsden and Anniston. All right, let's check out the forecast, what we're talking about after this. Hey, we're looking better out there for Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We're back at the 50s for afternoon highs, lows below freezing at night, and there could be a concern tonight of some black ice on the highway. So keep in mind, if the roads are still wet tonight, there could be some problems with that, but we'll have more on that forecast coming up here in a bit. Terry?
University of Alabama. We want to show you some video from other parts of the southeast impacted. This video is from Jackson, Mississippi. Look at that. They woke up to a winter wonderland and have had quite a bit of snow all day long. You can see there the roads in Jackson. Not a lot of people on the roads, which is, of course, what is recommended in this weather. And, of course, transportation officials are advising people to be careful on the roads. As much as 4 inches of snow is expected in parts of that state before the storm moves out and moves east. All right, we've got some closings to look at now for you. Pickens County schools closing at 12:30 p.m. today. Lamar County schools and Head Start closed today. University of West Alabama and Livingston, evening classes only on that campus. Also, the roads in Pickens and Lamar counties are impassable this afternoon. Officials in both counties with the EMA are confirming that all roads, county roads in Pickens and Lamar counties are closed until further notice. Walker County also now has closed roads at this time. We will continue to monitor this situation. If you've got pictures, send them to us. Also, check out our weather blog on WVUATV.com. You can also see the closings and delays on there as well. That's going to do it for this report. We will see you back here for WVUA News first at 4.
You're watching WVUA. This is Alabama's home team.